Hi everyone, welcome to Latu's Kitchen. After watching this video, yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do press the bell icon so that you get notified. Today, of course, a different video that I'm going to show you product unboxing. I've recently ordered for a mic. My earlier mic which I was using suddenly stopped working, so I was to order this from Amazon. This is the picture of the mic that I have ordered. It really looked very, at least for the first view, big to me. Let's see how it is inside. This is the packet that I have received from Amazon guys today. Let's open this and see what is inside and what all they have given. Because outside it really looked, which really prompted me to go ahead and order for it, as I badly need a mic right now. Okay, so here you go. Okay, it is very small packet, packed, wrapped in a bubble wrap, which can be used for my little girl who can play with it. The sound which comes out of the bubble wrap, she really enjoys it. At least this wrap can be used by her. But let's see what is the product is inside. So the mic that I have ordered is eMafia Professional Clip-On Collar Mic with 3.5 mm jack. It is suitable for PC, laptop, they say, mostly used by, of course, YouTubers and gamers. Voice chatting, video conferencing, all that can be done. It's, of course, black in color. Here you go. Oh, okay. The size looks more like a handset to me. The mic that you usually get it along with the phone, it's definitely not the size that I have expected. Of course, online when you buy, the picture image always looks a little bigger. Anyways, okay, here you go, the mic, clip-on mic with 3.5 jack for suitable for PC and laptops. Okay, so this is the invoice, of course, which I have received. Of course, it was priced at 178.81 with GST and so on. It is total prices 211 rupees INR, that is. So the mic that I was using earlier was definitely a little bigger one, which came along with piano, the musical instrument, which came in as a gift for my little girl. This is the one that I'm showing. This is the one I was using all the while. Yeah, here you go. You can look at the size now. But I really hope it should work. Of course, this is the bigger one, is the piano one that I was talking about, which I was using earlier. And this is the one, the smaller one is the one which I have received from Amazon today. So there is no any instruction as such which I have got along with this packet. Okay, here you go. Let's check it and see how effective it is. And of course the bubble wrap has been taken by my little girl, who's really enjoying. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Look forward to meeting you again. Thank you.